Question 1. Simplify 3x plus 12 divide x square plus 8x plus 12 times x square minus 4 divide x square plus x minus 12. So first we have to factorize this one, so we can take common 3. Here is x plus 4, because 12 divided 3 it will be 4. Now we can make middle term factor in this denominator, which is x square plus 8x plus 12. So 12 we can write like 6 times 2, it will be 12, and also 6 plus 2, it will be 8. This case we can write x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 12 times, here is x square minus 4, we can write this one x square minus 2 square, and this denominator also we can simplify. Here is 12, so 12 we can write 3 times 4, it will be 12, and same thing, 4 minus 3 will be 1. Here is a plus x. This case we can write x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. Okay, next here is 3x plus 4. Then this denominator we can take common x, so here will be x plus 6. Take common 2, again x plus 6 times, it's looking a square minus b square, like a square minus b square, it's a plus b times a minus b. So this case we can write x plus 2 times x minus 2, and from here we can take common x, so here will be x plus 4, and again we can take common minus 3, so we can write again x plus 4. Now 3 times x plus 4, and here will be x plus 6 times x plus 12 times, here is a x plus 2 x minus 2, and here x plus 4 times x minus 3, right? So we have some option a, b, c, d. We have to find out which one is correct. Now we can divide something, like x plus 4 divide x plus 4, it will be 1, it means this is out. X plus 2 we can divide by x plus 2, it's out. And finally we get 3 times x minus 2 divide x plus 6 times x minus 3, and this is our answer. That means our required answer, it will be number B. Cross check, 3 times x minus 2, 3 times x minus 2, x plus 6, x minus 3. So first question answer done. Question 2. Question 2. We are going to simplify cubic root of 8x to the power 8 times cubic root of 135 times x squared. First, this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 times x to the power 8 will be unchanged, and whole power against cubic root we can write 1 by 3. How? Because nth root of x, we know it will be x to the power 1 by n. Same thing in here, 135, if we simplify, like 135 if we divide by 3, we will get here is a 4, 5. It means 45. Then again we divide by 3, we will get 15. Again we divide by 3, we will get 5. So it means 135 can be write 3 to the power 3 times 5, and here is a x square, and whole power will be 1 by 3 because this is a cubic root. Now we can write like a 2 to the power 3 times 1 by 3 times x to the power 8 to the power 1 by 3 times 3 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 3 times 5 to the power 1 by 3 times, and here is a x square to the power 1 by 3. All are separate. Now this 3 divide 3, so we can write here is only 2. X to the power 8, look, here is a x to the power 8 and here is a x square, and both power is 1 by 3. So this case we can write x to the power 8 times x square and to the power 1 by 3, okay, times 3 divide 3, so here is only 3, and here is a 5 to the power 1 by 3 will be unchanged. Now 2 times 3, it will be 6 times, here is a x to the power 8 and x square. As per law of indices, we know a to the power m times a to the power n. It means if base are same, in product power will be at, that means a to the power m plus n. Same thing, it will become what, x to the power 10 and to the power 1 by 3, and here 5 to the power 1 by 3 unchanged. Now we will make a interesting thing, like here is a 6 and x to the power 10, we can write x to the power 9 times x. It's an easy thing, right? Base are same, 9 plus 1 it will be 10, and to the power 1 by 3 times, here is a 5, 1 by 3. Now 6 x to the power 9 times 1 by 3 times x to the power 1 by 3 times 5, 1 by 3. Okay, now 9 divide 3, it will be 3. So we can write 6 x cube, and this one both power is 1 by 3. So this case we can write easily 5x to the power 1 by 3. But in our option here is nothing. So this case what can we do? Look, 6x cube against 1 by 3, we can write cubic root 5x is the same thing, and this is our exact answer. 6x cube cubic root of 5x. Look, 6x cube cubic root of 5x. Question 3, we are going to simplify. X minus 3 divide 6x plus 8 divide x square minus 2x minus 3 divide 2x plus 1. So what will be the result? We have some option A, B, C, D. We have to find out the correct one first. X minus 3 will be unchanged, and from 6x plus 8, from these two terms we can take common 8, we will get 2x plus 1 divide. So this expression we have to factorize. So this case we can write x square minus 3x plus x minus 3. It means 3 times 1 is a 3, and 3 minus 1 it will be 2. So here is a minus sign, right? 2x plus 1. Then here is x minus 3, divide 8, 2x plus 1, divide. So from this term we can take common x, so x minus 3 plus 1 common, again x minus 3. In denominator it will be unchanged, 2x plus 1. Now x minus 3, 8 times 2x plus 1, divide. We can take common x minus 3. So here will be x plus 1, divide 2x plus 1. Now x minus 3, divide 8 times 2x plus 1. Now here is a division sign. Once we divide one fraction to another fraction, first fraction will be unchanged, and second fraction it will be multiply, and fraction will be flip, or it will be reciprocal. So it will be 2x plus 1. Here is x minus 3 times x plus 1. So now we can divide 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, it will be out. It means 1, x minus 3 and x minus 3. So ultimate answer will be, here is 1, divide 8 times x plus 1. So where is our answer? Number A, right? Number A, where is 1 divide 8 times x plus 1. And this is our answer, number A. Okay, so no more today. Thank you very much. This video I'm trying to solve 3 math, which is very important for algebra 2. So it's a good practice for examination. I hope your preparation will be fine. If I assist you something, I will be happy. Thank you.